How to know if a car needs a new clutch. All vehicles with a manual transmission will have a friction clutch between the engine and gearbox, allowing the driver to pull away from a standstill and change gears. Clutches are hard-wearing but do need periodic replacement as the clutch wears down. Welcome to Auto V Fix, our YouTube channel dedicated to all things automobiles. We offer clear explanations on car-related issues and essential components, as well as professional tips to help maintain your vehicle. In this video, we will guide you on how to know if a car needs a new clutch. Keep watching to learn more. Please follow the steps. 1. Identify the symptoms of a worn clutch. Usually, this is characterized by the clutch slipping as you apply power. The engine speed will increase greatly when you try to accelerate, even though the clutch pedal is not pressed. Under normal driving, a healthy clutch will lock the engine to the transmission, so its speed should be directly linked to changes in the vehicle speed. 2. Make sure the clutch itself is at fault. If your vehicle has a hydraulically operated clutch, eliminate air in the system by bleeding the hydraulic circuit as you would with the braking system. A cable-operated clutch could be suffering from a seized or jammed cable, preventing the clutch from taking the full torque from the engine. 3. Have the clutch replaced as soon as possible. Clutch replacement is an involved job requiring the removal of the transmission to access the clutch. Unless you are an experienced home mechanic, book your car into a garage to have the work done. Here are some tips. 1. A surefire way to know your clutch is worn out: select third or fourth gear at around 30 map 55 km with the clutch engaged and open the throttle wide. Hit the gas. If your engine starts revving at high RPM and the vehicle is not picking up speed, the clutch plate is worn out. The engine revs over because the clutch does not have enough contact with the flywheel, causing slip. 2. Don't drive the car with a worn clutch. Fuel economy and available power will be reduced, and the clutch could fail completely at any time, leaving you stranded by the roadside. 3. Clutch replacement is time-consuming, involving the removal of the transmission. While on a rear-wheel drive vehicle, this may be relatively simple, on a front-wheel drive or four-wheel drive vehicle, the task is more difficult. Because of this, it's good practice to change the clutch whenever the gearbox is removed from the vehicle. This can save time and money in the long run, especially if you have a garage to do the work. Congratulations! You have completed the tutorial on how to know if a car needs a new clutch. If you found the video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more DIY automotive content, and hit the notification bell. We would love to hear your suggestions for future topics in the comment section below. Remember to always drive safely and stay happy. Thank you for watching.